In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create packaging design mockups like a pro in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your label or brand artwork onto realistic packaging. Polish the scene and export a sharp professional image you can share or present. First, open your design. This is the file that contains your label, logo, or packaging panel artwork. If you are starting from an existing Canva project, open it and make sure your design is clean, high resolution, and grouped if it has multiple elements. If you are importing a file, confirm it's clear at the size you plan to show it, so it stays crisp when placed on the mockup. Next, head to Elements and search for mockups. You'll see a large library of ready-made templates designed to showcase your product in a realistic way. Use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow down options and preview a few to see which one best matches your brand's style and the angle you need. From there, choose your packaging type under the packaging category. You can pick boxes, bottles, bags, and more. Consider the perspective and material. A matte carton box tells a different story than a glossy bottle, and a stand-up pouch feels different from a rigid mailer. Select what aligns with your product and the way you want customers to perceive it. Now upload and place your design. Click Uploads, bring in your label or artwork. Then drag and drop it onto the mockup placeholder. Use the fill option to make sure your design covers the entire product surface without leaving edges exposed. If the mockup has multiple surfaces or panels, apply the correct artwork to each placeholder so everything looks consistent. Click the mockup to adjust and refine. Use the adjust controls to resize, flip, or reposition your design until it fits perfectly. Rotate slightly if the perspective demands it, and zoom in to check edges and alignment. Small nudges can make a big difference in realism. Keep logos centered, respect margins, and watch for any stretching. Finally, complete the scene. Add a realistic background from the Elements tab and incorporate subtle shadows or highlights to match the lighting of the mockup. Keep the background simple so the product remains the hero. And consider a light blur for depths. When you are happy, export as a high-quality PNG for crisp edges or JPG for a smaller file size. Choose a large resolution so your mockup looks sharp across web, presentations, and print. Thanks for watching.